Your product photo can actually talk. No camera setup, no actor, and no need to record yourself on video. In this tutorial, I'm turning a simple product photo into a talking product demo using free AI. First, search for dupdub.com in any browser and open the website. Once you're inside, tap on Start for free. From the available tools, find AI Avatar/Lip Sync Talking Avatar and open it. Now you'll see an option called Upload Face Photo. Tap on it and select the image you want to use for your talking product video. Here's one important thing: make sure the product is visible in the photo. You can hold it in your hand, place it next to you, or position it somewhere clearly visible. This way, your final video can work more like an actual product demonstration. After uploading the photo, move to the audio section and click on Upload. Now choose the voice recording where you've explained your product. For example, you can talk about what the product does, its main features, why someone should buy it, or simply create a short promotional script. Once both files are uploaded, check the preview one more time. If everything looks correct, hit the blue Generate button. Now the AI takes over. It will combine your photo and voice and create a talking avatar with synchronized lip movements. Give it a little time to finish processing. When the video is generated, play the preview and check the result. Make sure the voice sounds right, the lip movements are synchronized, and your product is clearly visible. Happy with it? Just click Download and save the final video to your device. And that's the whole process. One product photo plus one voice recording can become a ready-to-use talking product demo without setting up a camera or shooting an entire commercial. You can use the finished video for product launches, social media ads, online stores, presentations, or promotional content.